Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we are going to use ACS 2020 5 years estimate data for Harris County tracts to demonstrate the basic features of Tableau. Hopefully by the end of the video, you will have a better understanding of what Tableau is and how it works. Tableau Software Company was founded in 2003 in Mountain View, California by two Stanford University students and is currently headquartered in Seattle, Washington. Reasons you want to use Tableau: it is a powerful data visualization tool, definitely. It's easy to get started. It enables both technical and non-technical people to be self-sufficient for their data analysis projects. It is designed to create web-based interactive data visualizations, which means it's easy for sharing and publishing on website. And Tableau Public is free. Reasons you don't want to use Tableau: Tableau Public is free. However, you can only save work to Tableau Public server. You cannot save any work locally or privately. The paid version can be expensive, $70 per month for the creator role for Tableau Desktop. Tableau is easy to get started. However, I would say a deep knowledge is a must to fully understand and master the tool and use it for your needs. In today's demonstration, we will use Tableau Public, which is the free version. Here is the basic workflow of data visualization with Tableau. You connect to your data, analyze it, and save and share your work. The green highlighted boxes are the workflow for Tableau Public. Here are the two data files we will use. One is a CSV file, the other is a shape file that contains the Texas tract map data. Let's preview the CSV file. We know the first row is the column headers. Each row is a record for a specific tract in Harris County. There are 1115 tracts in Harris County, and we have 1115 rows of data because the first row is the column header. Open Tableau Public, connect, text file, locate your text file, open. Change the data type for FIPS from number to string. Because number is a wrong data type for FIPS field, and we're going to use FIPS to relate it to the shape file. On the data source interface, click on Add, Spatial File, locate the shape zip file, open. Drag this table to the canvas area and define the relationship. Find FIPS, it's a string. Find GeoID. Now the relationship is set up. These two data files can only be related because joining the two files or connecting the two files as disparate data sources will not work. When you use relationships to combine data, files are not merged. You just tell how the files are related, and Tableau will automatically figure out how to pull out data and aggregate the data as needed. In our example, we use FIPS field and GeoID to relate these two files together. After data is connected, we will analyze the data. Click on Sheet 1. When you do data analysis, there are two approaches. One is that you have a question and you want to find an answer from the data. The other is you just want to explore your data and see what interesting findings you can get. I will take the second approach. To explore data, frequently we want to compare data across categories. Let's compare median household income across the Harris County tracts. Tableau's drag and drop feature makes this super straightforward. From the data pane, I will find median household income. I'll drag it to rows and drag qualifying name to column. Just add all members. Instantly, we have the bar chart. On the toolbar, we can swap rows and columns to have horizontal bars or vertical bars. I like horizontal bars. We can sort data in descending order or ascending order. I will leave it as descending order. We can also filter data. I will drag qualifying name to filters shelf and filter to the top 10 tracts by median household income. Just click OK. I will rename the worksheet as top 10 tracts by median household income. I will drag the divider of the data pane to make the field name show more. Sometimes we want to explore the correlationship between two variables. I'll create a new worksheet. I want to use the median household income, which is over here, and also percent of population, white alone. From the upper right corner, click on Show Me menu. And you can see based on the data selected, Tableau recommends you to use scatter plot. And this is highlighted with orange color. And the non-applicable charts are grayed out. You can think Show Me menu as one-stop expert help. So I will click on scatter plot. And I got this one mark. Because in Tableau, all the measures, when they come to the view, they are automatically aggregated. From analysis, uncheck aggregate measures, I get this scatter plot. I want to swap rows and columns because I want the percent of total population, white alone, as the independent variable and this median household income as dependent variable. From analytics pane, I can drag and apply trend line. When I drag trend line to the view area, as you can see, there are different mathematical models you can select. As a user, you have to decide which model fits your data the best. For this demonstration, I will use linear. And when you mouse over this trend line, you will see R squared value, P value. You have to be able to interpret what that means for your data. We can also create text table easily. Say, I want to see the tracts race makeup. I will select qualifying name and percent of total population, different races. Create a new worksheet and choose text table from Show Me menu. And I have this text table. Tableau's map feature has become more popular and powerful. It allows you to map geographic data and visualize one or two measures on the map. Create a new worksheet. Double-click on the geometry field. A map is created. This is the Texas map at tract level. We will filter the map to Harris County. So drag County FP to filters shelf. We know Harris County has code 201. We'll just select 201, filter to Harris County. Drag qualifying name to details. Now we can visualize median household income on the map. I will drag median household income to color to visualize it. I can edit color the way I want it. I will choose blue teal. Step color, 5 steps. Click OK. Close Show Me menu. Now, based on the color, I know which tract has more median household income. Once we have a few worksheets created, we can put some worksheets together to build a dashboard so we can view, monitor, and compare more data in one place. Create a new dashboard, use the middle button, set the size, say fixed size, full screen, and you will see all the worksheets you have created so far. They are available for you to view and select on the left-hand side. You can just drag the worksheet and drop it to the dashboard area. Before I add any interactivities to the dashboard, I want to go to the map worksheet and turn on some background layers. Go to Map, Background Layers. Go to Street. Now back to the dashboard. I will make the bar chart sheet smaller so we don't have to scroll to see the whole text table. Now, if I select the top one tract, you will see only this bar chart sheet is affected. The other two sheets are not affected by this selection. If I want this selection to be applied to this two sheet as well, I can simply turn on this funnel icon. When this funnel icon is turned on, it makes this bar chart sheet serve as a filter to the other sheets on the dashboard. If I select the top 3 tracts by median household income, you will see where they are located on the map. And you can see their population makeup. The majority of the population of these tracts are white and Asian. And you can deselect back to the default view. Last, I can go to File, Save to Tableau Public to save my work. After publishing your Tableau Public work to the Tableau Public server, you can use the link to share your viz or use the embed code to embed it to your website. So that's a sneak peek of the Tableau Public. Hopefully you have a basic understanding of why you want to use Tableau or why not to use it. Thank you for watching.